Hello, so today I thought we'd talk a wee bit about weaving exercises, which we use routinely as part of the session when the dogs come in for physio at the gatehouse, and also as advised as part of a home programme for the owners to try at home in between sessions. Weaving has a number of different benefits for the patient. It helps with conditions of the back, as the movement of the spine as it weaves in and out of the poles loosens up tight muscles and improves flexibility. For encouraging load bearing in certain limbs in patients that have had surgery or are recovering from injury. And as a strengthening exercise, as the limb nearest the weave pole has to bear more of the dog's weight as the dog moves in and around the poles. For weaving, it's best to use a harness that doesn't restrict movement and allows for a slow, controlled movement, so a harness and lead, just like you can see in the image. Using a treat or a favourite toy for the dog to follow is often a good way to start, as you can see with Sue and Holly here, as long as they don't become too overstimulated and excited and lose control of the exercise. You can use any household object to practice weaving at home, as long as it's not too flimsy and won't fall over if the patient touches it. Set plenty of distance between the weaves to start with, then bring them closer together to make the exercise more challenging. If you're a wee bit short of space at home, or you want to advance the exercise and make it slightly more challenging for the patient as the turns are tighter, you could try a figure of 8 exercise like I'm showing here with Izzy. The benefits are the same in that it improves load bearing, it strengthens the muscles of the fore and hind limbs, and it also conditions the core. And I use a biscuit to weave her in and out in a figure of 8 pattern like this. Plenty of rewards always go down well at the end.